This is for people who maybe don't have enough space in their apartments, their RVs, in particular who are going out camping, outdoors. Maybe you got that little chalet somewhere and you just don't have enough space. Well, they sent us, it comes in this red bag, which actually doubles as a backpack. And I apologize, I've been messing with this stuff so it isn't displayed perfectly. But you've got this backpack carrying case, which doubles, you can just use this for storage. Then, this larger, it's pocketed, it's for storage. And honestly, I think I might actually put this in the back of my car, kind of behind the back seats, or in the trunk for additional storage. And I'm going to go ahead and maybe do an overlay here in a moment, showing you how much space this thing holds, because it is stretchy, so the more stuff you put in it, it seems like it keeps accepting more and more. I feel like there's a joke that I shouldn't make there. So anyway, they also have, it comes with this cargo net, which again, this one is more, can be used like a hammock. You can see it's a large stretchy net, and I'll go ahead and overlay as well. But you can hold things in here, and I'll go ahead and overlay the use on its own. Now I imagine if you have a little camp, a little cabin in the woods, or maybe you got your RV, your pop-up trailer, your fifth wheel, that this would be perfect for hanging. I display it underneath some shelves, kind of just hanging there underneath. But if you're looking for a way to increase your space and get the most out of a smaller area, which a lot of us are living in, you know, mom's basement and an extra room, this and that, it can be used for that. Great for storage, pantry items, you could even put it in a pantry. I personally like the idea of putting it in the trunk of my car. Each of these have essentially handy little snaps, so you can pretty much put it around anything. You know, as long as you got, you know, whether it's hooks here, you can put a nail, you can just snap it to anything, back of a seat, wherever it may be. It's pretty easy, right? So anyway, you're going to go ahead and check out the link. There's an Amazon link in the description below, and it's Active Gear Guys. Pete over there, actually a pretty good guy, and if there's anything wrong, they'll fix the situation. Letter of guarantee there. It comes with, you've got the red backpack bag, you've got this black bag, and then you've got this one, which is, again, a little more versatile, sturdy, and it holds a lot of weight. We'll go ahead and put some information on screen throughout the video. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me or message me below. And thanks again for watching. I'm Adam, and if you watch this far in the video, go ahead and click subscribe. We really do appreciate it.